Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Grind fresh beans to a medium coarse texture. This exposes surface area for even extraction. Measure 18 g coffee and prepare 300 g water so you hit about a 1 to 16.7 ratio. Accuracy matters. Heat water to between 92 and 96 degrees Celsius, then rinse the filter and preheat the brewer and cup to stabilize temperature. Once done, add grounds evenly and level them so water contact is uniform. This first step sets the flavor direction. Now you bloom the coffee. Pour 50 g of water evenly to saturate grounds and let it rest for 30 to 45 seconds. This releases CO2 and prevents channeling. After the bloom, pulse pour the remaining water in 3 controlled pours. Aim to finish pouring around 2.5 to 3 minutes total brew time, because timing regulates extraction. Make steady, concentric pours from center outward then back. Keep the stream gentle to avoid splashes. This method balances acidity, sweetness, and body for a clean cup. Finish by allowing the final drawdown. Aim for a total brew time of 2.5 to 3.5 minutes, then gently stir and serve immediately to preserve clarity. If your cup tastes sour, you likely underextracted. Make the grind a touch finer or increase contact time next brew. If it's bitter, you over-extracted. Coarsen the grind or lower water temperature slightly. Make sure to adjust one variable at a time so you learn how each change shifts flavor. Repeat until you dial in your preferred profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.